Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Still fighting this little sore throat I have, but I'm going to show you something super interesting. I made this video right here about 2 months ago. It says here, another huge crash coming, with the thumbnail saying another huge crash. Guys, I'm going to play this video to you because I want you to hear what I said in this video, and then you'll understand exactly what I'm trying to get at in this video. And I'm going to show you this chart, update you, show you where we are. Have a listen. What's the lowest Bitcoin can fall in my eyes? I think that it could seriously come down and test this purple line if it was to fall. At the time of recording this video, it's sitting at around $28,300. Will it do that? I don't know. As time goes on, these logarithmic growth curve lines are moving upwards. So, as time goes on, maybe the price will increase up. What I was getting at is that I believed that Bitcoin would come down and test this purple line down here. Guys, if it sounded interesting, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Take a look exactly where we are right now in this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves. And this is what I was trying to say to you 2 months ago, that we may come down and very well test this purple line. And this could mark the bottom. I don't know, time's going to tell. We've sunk through this before like a wick. Just like what you see these wicks here. Look, see them? We've sunk through this before and then we've come back up. But this, as far as we know in the whole of crypto history, this purple line has been the bottom of the cycles, the bear markets. And I'm going to show you that as I zoom out. Before I go any further, I need to let you know I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. You can see as I zoom out right here, you can see exactly what I'm talking about, how the purple line held the bottom for these bear markets, right? Or bearish trends. And as I said in this video, the purple line and all these other lines are coming upwards. So the price may increase in time. And 2 months down the line, the lines have gone up, the price has increased. Look at where we are right now. We are absolutely kissing this purple line, which could very well signal the bottom of the market. Now, if it does break lower, there's a seriously good window of opportunity to be buying crypto. And you know what? My patrons know exactly when to buy because I tell them this is the wrong thing. Here we go. I'll just pull up my super alerts for now. Actually, I'll change it over because I wanted to show you my tiers and why you should seriously become a patron, because they're seeing a specific chart right now. Maybe I've put it up on YouTube since showing this video, but this chart right here, it's a powerful chart. This tells us exactly how deep the crash is going to be and when we're going to buy at the bottom of this entire crash, on top of many future crashes to come. Okay, or big mega drops, mega dips, whatever you want to call them. Let's just go back to this real quick. I want to update you on this. If you don't want to miss it, become a patron. A few tiers, take your pick. I'm not going to dive into that. I just want to show you this. So look in the past. Just real quick with this video, it's going to be a super quick one. Let me take this yellow line off so I don't, confuse anyone. Look in the past. 2018's cycle, 2018, 2019, we come crashing down 2018. This was the bottom, the purple line. We rose up, we peaked at the middle line, this green line here. We couldn't even break above it. We got rejected, came straight back down, tested support here. Look, rolled over, dipped right underneath it. How low was the dip? The dip right here fell from the purple line to about here, about 49%. So it has broken through a few times. Let's go further back. Look, take a look back in the last cycle. Look, 2014 to 2015's top. We saw it come up to the red line. Usually it's the top of the cycle, came crashing down. Look where it dropped to, guys, the purple line. And this is what I've been trying to talk about for the last 2 months, that we may see a crash come downwards. And if we do, treat it like a buying opportunity. That's all I'm saying. And again, if you want to know exactly when to buy, because, we could very well dip through this again. We're seeing little dips here and tiny little drop here. What, 5%? 18% drip. Drip, dip. That doesn't look like an 18% dip, but that was an 18% dip. But if you want to know exactly when to buy, because I believe that, we will see it come through. I got a feeling it's going to come through. Look, even like the last side, look, very, very beginning of Bitcoin, look, came down, bounced off the purple line. This is how powerful this purple line is. Matter of fact, this is how powerful this logarithmic growth curves is. The entire thing that you see, the rainbow log growth curves, It's powerful, and it's designed for Bitcoin. And this is why many people in the future believe that this right here wasn't the top for Bitcoin, because we didn't see it come up to this red line. Which means if it does come up to this red line in the future, you could see some absolute insane explosive prices for Bitcoin. You know, this is sitting at 196,000. Should it go up there in the future? Maybe even higher, because like I said, as time goes on, these rainbow log growth curves move upwards. So people that have been calling that 250K, you know, give it to year 2023. If it lasts that long, you know, 2023, 2024, well, this is 2023, I'm looking at the bottom here. Maybe in the year 2023, hypothetically speaking, let's just call it May, why not? We're in May now. Maybe in May 2023, we might see a 250K Bitcoin. And I'm just calling it straight off of what I see here. If we dip another 49%, how much lower are we going to go based on what we're seeing now? It's a new week that just started, because these are weekly candles. Take a look here, and you can see there's a slight bit of green, and it's trying to hold support off this purple line. Question: how low would it drop if it was to drop lower? Well, based on this chart, you know, I've got precision on the other chart, but again, based on this chart, 49% drop, you know, it could seriously shock a lot of people out of this crypto space. I'm still coming down, look. 49% puts it about 17 grand. That's like a mega crash. What, is something going to happen to Binance or something? It seems like a mega, like, flash crash could happen for something like that if it was to occur. Chances are it could hold support, but I believe that we will see a dip in price come out of this purple line. And, you know, when it does, be prepared. My patrons are prepared. We're looking at this chart right here. This is absolutely powerful, right? And I'm not saying no more on it. If you want to see it, look out for it on YouTube. And, you know, become a patron, because they're seeing this stuff right now. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. Just wanted to show you this. If it was helpful, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I'll tell you what, a quick Easter egg. I believe we're going to come up and test this green line again. That's for sure. We're going to come and test this green line again in the future. What does that put it at? An 80K Bitcoin at the time of recording this video. And that's me pushing it forward. So, you know, if it takes a longer period of time, anywhere from 80 to 89,000, we could see that in the future. It will test it. The question is, in the future, will it be able to break it? If you're a long-term investor, good time to buy. That's all I'm saying. Not investment advice. Again, if you want to become a patron, I've got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. I'm going to open this up. You need to see, because you need to see the other chart is powerful. They're looking at it. We've been preparing for it. This right here, the crypto exclusive VIP partner tier, this one doesn't joke. Okay, because you see, when I buy, when I sell, when I stake, all of that. If you want a little bit more, go for my CEO tier. It gives you my super alerts. Have I got it here anywhere? What's this one? No, that's the important charts. I was showing someone. Just grab up my super alerts real quick. I want to show you. I need to show you this stuff. My super alerts gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. You will hear everything that I do and everything that I say and whatever way before I do it. It's all in this group. We're discussing things before I buy and all that stuff. So that could be helpful to you. And there's high crypto profiles, big money, that know how to make money, sharing great projects in this space, and they're just constantly making gains. That's all I'm saying. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.